In this video, you'll learn how to convert XRP to USDT using the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process and have your USDT ready in your account. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. If you're not already signed in, locate the sign-in option, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps to ensure your account security. Once logged in, look for the trade option in the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on it to reveal additional options. Among these options, find and select Convert. This action will take you to the conversion interface where you can easily swap cryptocurrencies. In the conversion interface, you will see sections labeled From and To. Click on the drop-down menu under From and select XRP. Next, click on the drop-down under To and choose USDT. After selecting these options, enter the amount of XRP you wish to convert in the input field provided. Ensure that the amount you enter is within the limits set by the platform. Next, look for the button labeled Preview Conversion or simply Convert. Clicking this button will display the conversion rate and any applicable fees. Take a moment to review this information thoroughly. Once you are satisfied with the rate and details presented, confirm the conversion to finalize the transaction. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are aware of the terms before proceeding. After confirming your conversion, the process will initiate and you may see a loading indicator as the transaction is processed. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your XRP has been successfully converted to USDT. You can verify the transaction by navigating to your assets or crypto balances section where the newly converted USDT will be reflected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.